Hi guys! Ayan, bago kami umuwi, dito muna kami sa greenhouse kasi magpipik kami ng how you call this one? Ng cucumber guys. At saka mayroon pa ditong nectarine. Ayan. So mayroon pang nectarine. Tingnan natin kung hinog na ba ito. Ayan. Uy! Ayan, hinog na siya. Merong hinog. May isa. A little bit juicy. Pero iba talaga yung galing sa labas na puno. Hindi dito sa greenhouse. Yeah.
You'll have some lumps and some peaches.
No, this is nectarine lab. Ayan, hindi pa sila ready. Matigas pa. Ayan. Kunti na lang ang natira. Oh, ayan, isa. Nagugutom ako eh. Ayan. Mas maganda nga ito kasi siguro mas matamis-tamis ito. Ayan. So, next week ito guys. Next week. Ito. Dalawa. Ayan. Mas masarap yung kanina. Ito hindi. Ay, si Joe nagdidilig. Ayan. Yung kamatis namin is yellow. Ayan.
Like cherry tomatoes. Big ones are red.
Tayo. Ayan, pa isa-isa lang. Kasi hindi lahat na hinog. Pero kinakain namin ito pag sa lunch. Ayan. Tapos yung cucumber, hindi muna kami mamitas kasi marami doon. Marami pa kaming cucumber. Ayan. Uy, ang laki. Pitas ko na to.
A big one.
Can you help me here? Can you get the... Joe, otherwise I'm gonna break it. Oh. Yan, bigat. Ayan. Yan, laki. Malaki. Ibibigay ko to sa bahay doon. Ayan. Mayroon ditong ayan. Peppers. Malaki na rin. Ayan, kamatis. There's no more, huh? You said there's more.
No more. Yeah, there's a cooking course there.
Yeah,
There's
but
another one.
no more tomato.
Yeah, in the garden outside.
Ah.
Yeah, there's some here, bun.
Ayan. Nandun pala sa garden ito.
There's a few here, and then in the
Courgette.
garden outside.
Ayan. Laki. At merong bilog. Tonight we eat again this one. Doon sa aming lamb. Ayan, ang laki oh. Ayan guys, malaki. Oh, help me, help me.
One more thing.
Otherwise, I'm gonna break the whole thing.
Don't break that.
Can you come here and help me pick? Hindi ko kasi ma-twist. Baka mamaya maano to.
Oh, it's a big one.
Yeah, that's why I asking you for help. It's okay if you break. This is your plant. Yan. Yan, ganda. Very nice. Ayan, oh.
The pumpkin.
Ayan.
Like a squash.
Yes. Ayan, may mga marigolds siya. Ganda ng bulaklak. Is yours? Or?
Yeah, mine.
Wow, nice. I like it.
See, this one was in the kitchen, but now it's in the greenhouse. It's growing bigger. lettuce.
Ah, the lettuce. I picked them.
Yeah.
This one and this one.
Yeah.
Outside.
Oh,
Yeah?
yeah.
Ayan. Mamitas din ako ng lettuce para sa aming salad bukas sa lunch.
Oh, this is
Yeah.
not bell pepper.
What is it?
Like a pointed pepper.
Which one? Ah. Yeah, I think it's a long pepper.
Oh, I like those ones.
Yeah. Yeah. Free na yung salad. Meron akong binili nung isang araw pero ayan, pero ito mas okay.
So it's drying out so fast. I only watered yesterday evening.
Yeah. Well done you. Yan ang ganda. Yan. Man yung talong. Meron ng bulaklak. They said you can take out the leaves so that they grow.
Eggplant,
Yeah.
bottom leaves.
Yeah, all this.
Oh, there it is. Oh, I'll bring some scissors up. Tomorrow.
No, you can like just this one.
Oh.
Take out. They said.
Who said?
I saw it on YouTube.
Oh.
So that, yan. Like this, so that all the nutrients, it goes,
To the fruit.
yeah. Ayan. I saw it on yeah, take out.
Oh.
And then it will grow.
YouTube.
Yeah. I saw them that really, the so many, there's so many, fruit,
Yeah.
vegetables coming up like that.
And these cucumbers.
Yeah.
So you take up the sides, the ones that go sideways. So you just have one main stalk.
Yan. So, ayan guys. Tingnan natin. Ito, yung cucumber, you have to take out some of the leaves on the bottom, love.
Yeah. I think some scissors.
Yeah, take out tomorrow, yeah?
Yeah.
That's why they dry so
If they
quickly.
come back to life.
Yeah, they dry so quickly because they're eating all this nutrition.
Yeah. I'll feed tomorrow. I don't want to feed when they're so dry.
Yeah,
No, I cut them off front so they don't get disease.
there. So you take this. Yeah. This one to go up. Ayan. Guys, so mayroong ditong ganda ng bulaklak. We get the seeds and we take it home. Or
Paradise.
this one.
And a paradise.
Yeah.
First paradise.
Guys, ang lago. Very healthy. So, ayan guys, nandito na naman kami sa aming garden. Ayan o. Mayroong isa. Ayan.
You want me to start picking?
Yeah. It's not much. Ayan. Maliit pa.
Red one.
Ayan si Joe. Mayroon diyang kaming mga. How many you have?
Five.
Tapos ito yung mga dahon-dahon na rin. Tomorrow, some other leaves I came.
Yeah.
Ayan. So, maliliit yung mga kamatis namin. At ito, dito, kinuha na niya yung isa. So, at the moment, yung kamatis namin is maliliit. Ayan, marami pero maliit. Ayan, merong malaki. Pero bukas, can you let's just leave because tomorrow I come here anyway.
What's that, bun?
I came tomorrow and pick.
Tomatoes.
Yeah, ayan. So we have at the moment the house, that one. For lunch, we have lunch. So leave that one.
Oh.
Then I come here tomorrow. So ito yung
Sige.
marami dito,
We got
guys.
the cucumbers and project.
Yes. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God, so many.
Yeah, look.
Ayan yung beans, guys. Malaki na sila. So I don't know.
The cucumbers a lot.
Yeah. We have to pick the beans. Ayan.
I got some spinach, bun.
Tomorrow, because we're not gonna eat tonight.
Aren't we?
No, because we have the roast. Ayan guys, ito. Dahan-dahan baka masira ko. Ayan. Ang lalaki. Ay, naku. Ayan. Naka-harvest na si Joe dito.
Oh.
Nung isang araw. So, the Bill's hair is working, yeah?
Yeah, seems to be.
Yeah. Ito. Yan. Leave the other one because I think that one is okay. Ayan. So, ayan na guys. Kanya nakarami yung cucumber. Tsaka yung beans. Ay, yung isa namatay. Ewan namin bakit namatay. So, ito. Ayan. So, maraming kuhanin natin to dahil hindi naman lalaki ito. Ayan.
We have the beans with the lamb then, yeah?
Yeah, so pick some beans. Ayan. Ayan, ito dito. Oh. Kuhanin ko yung, ayan, kasi pag kinuha ito, lalaki ito.
So many flowers, it's going to be a lot of beans.
Yeah. Ayan, kasi hindi na lalaki yan eh. Ayan. Ayan, ano na lang yan dyan. Pwede din itong isalad guys. So, ito, kuhanin natin. Kasi pag malaki, maro na yun, maro. Subukan ko bukas mag salad nito. Kasi magluluto ako ng quinoa. Quinoa and this one for
Look at
salad.
this one, bun. It's for you.
Ayan. Ayan, dami oh. Ayan, marami. So, ito, next week we harvest this one.
Yeah. There's some more there, bun.
Yeah.
I don't know what we're going to do with them all.
I give it to John.
See these little ones I put here, they grow so much. This oregano,
Yeah,
that's a weed. And then basil, oh that's basil on the side.
yeah. You can pick some of this, Han. tomorrow, take out all the leaves of the courgette.
What about the rhubarb? Not ready.
The rhubarb I picked, not because we're gonna get some apple.
Yeah.
So I like to cook it fresh. Ayan yun.
This is a weed, right?
Yeah. But I saw it on Facebook. They eat it.
Oh.
Ayan
Yeah,
guys.
because it's
So,
got a nice smell.
ayan o, mayroon doon. Marami. So yung patatas, oh my God, Joe, the potato is coming out.
Yeah, but it's not ready until end of August.
Can you cover?
Yeah.
There.
Oh, look, your broccoli bun has been eaten.
Oh no, you're supposed to cover it. That's why.
Yeah.
Can you cover the potatoes? Ayan, kasi lumalabas na sila. Can you put cover, Hal, so that it won't go green?
I need to bring some more compost.
Yeah, please. Ayan, ang dami na dito, oh. Lumalabas. Dapat kasi naka-cover. Sayang. Oh my God, Joe. This is sayang.
What's soya?
Look, it's a waste because it's not covered, Joe. Please, can you bring some more tomorrow? All of them.
Yeah.
You cannot just plant and leave it.
Maybe there's plenty more that are covered.
No. You're such a waste if you don't cover them. They all come out. Yeah. Here, over here as well. Oh my God, everywhere, Joe. Can you tomorrow please cover them? See?
Yeah.
Maybe this, oh, see?
I'll bring a wheelbarrow of homemade compost tomorrow.
Yeah, take out and then cover again. Here, look, look.
Oh.
Yan, ang dami.
These
Nakalabas
ones
sila.
already flower.
Yeah.
Oh, because these ones are still flowering. They're the same potatoes.
This one is fine. But the other one is you need to cover. This is well planted. This one is not. Yeah, see, look, so many. Every corner.
I'll take that net out because I think they're more broccoli anyway.
Yeah. So let's go.
Hey,
Ayan, guys.
Red.
Yan. Mainit. Kanina malamig kasi umulan. Ngayon mainit na. Maganda na yung init. So, ayan. Babalik na kami at magluluto ng lunch. So, I don't know if I vlog.
There's a
Maybe.
basket.
Basket is over there. Yun, marami kaming na-harvest today. So, tomorrow, Joe going to do the potatoes. Ayan. See, Joe? With me?
Even more cucumbers. We already got a fridge full of cucumbers and courgette.
Yeah. I'll carry that.
Yeah. We'll have to give them away.
Yeah. So,
Thank you for watching. That's all of the harvesting until tomorrow. See you next time and please subscribe. See, they're not only satisfied to eat the plant, they dig out the roots as well.
yeah.
And these ones, these are all the roots.